Okay, so today we will start our topic. Today I'll teach you about layers of Earth. Before getting into the topic, can you tell me what you know about planet Earth? What do you know about planet Earth? Answer my question. What do you know about planet Earth? What do you know about planet Earth? So, do you know about solar system? What is the number? What is the position of planet Earth? 3. Good. Earth is the third planet from the sun. And do you know how old is planet Earth? How old is planet Earth? Planet Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Please write down the notes today. And do you know how many days will planet Earth take to complete one rotation around the sun? One day? How many days will planet Earth take to complete one rotation around the sun? 300? Good. It takes 365 days to complete one full orbit. Orbit means rotation. And do you know how much percentage of Earth is covered with land and how much percent is covered with water? What is the percentage of water on Earth? 70. And what is the percentage of land? 8. So, about 29 to 30% of Earth is covered with land and remaining 70% is covered with water. And can you live on any other planet? Can human beings and animals can live on any other planet? Like Jupiter, Saturn, can you live there? No. Only planet Earth can support life. These are few facts about planet Earth. So before getting into the topic, these are the words you have to practice. Repeat with me. Geology. Geology. Crust. Mantle. Mantle. Core. 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 Continental. Continental. Oceanic. Oceanic. Lithosphere. Mesosphere. Now tell what is the first one? What is the first one? Second? Third? Fourth? Fifth? Sixth? Seventh, last one. So do you know anything about these terms? Do you know anything about these terms? No? So geology means study of earth. In this geology, geo means earth, logy means study of. Geology means study of earth. What is geology? What is geology? Study of earth. Can you tell me what you see on planet Earth? What do you see? Oceans, good. What do you see? Trees, good. What else? What else do you see? What else you see on planet Earth? You see nothing? Clouds, good. What is that?
What is this?
Glacier. Glacier, very good. What else? Glacier, yeah. What else? Mountains, good. One answer from that row. Iceland, good. Ice. Okay, I have shortlisted few answers. Rocks. Do you see rocks? No? I think you're blind. Minerals? No? Very bad. Yeah. Magma. What is magma? Lava. Sand. Sand. Yes. So now we will see layers of earth. Earth has 4 layers. The first layer is crust. Second layer is mantle. Third layer is outer core. Silence. Silence. Third layer is outer core. And the last layer is inner core. How many layers? 4. What is the first one? Crust. Second? Third? Fourth? Good. Now we will see one by one. First layer is crust. On the layer crust, this is the thinnest layer. Very thin compared to all the, you can't see? Okay, I will read, okay? Crust is the thinnest layer compared to remaining layers. Thin. You know thin? I don't know what you call in Thai. Thin, yeah. Thin layer. And it is mostly covered with crust is covered with mountains, ocean, soil, and rocks. The layer crust, it is covered with mountains, sea, soil, and also it has It contains all the types of rocks. Rocks are of three types. Do you know the types of rocks? Sedimentary, volcanic, igneous. So rocks are of three types: sedimentary, volcanic and igneous. You will learn about these rocks in your M4. Just remember that all these rocks are present in the crust. And this crust, the thickness of this crust is 5 to 70 kilometers. Do you know what is thickness? Thick. What is this? Huh? Thickness. Huh? Thickness. So the thickness of crust is 5 to 70 kilometers. 5 to 70 kilometers. And the temperature inside the crust is 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. Huh? So, the thickness of layer crust is 5 to silence. The thickness is around 5 to 70 kilometers and the temperature inside the crust is 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. And this crust is again divided into two types: continental and oceanic. Types of earth crust: continental and oceanic. Continental is the land area. Oceanic means the bottom layer of the ocean. Oceanic. It lies under the ocean and the thickness of this ocean crust is 5 to 8 kilometers. How many types of crust are there? Two types. What are they? Continental, oceanic. What is continental? What is continental? It is land area, and this continental is usually made up of rocks which has silicon and aluminium. SiAl. Si means silicon, Al is aluminium. Understood? Silicon and aluminium. And the thickness of this continental crust is around 70 kilometers. And oceanic crust thickness is 5 to 8 kilometers. Understood? Here is one more picture. What is this? Which crust is this? Continental or oceanic? Continental. And which crust is this? Oceanic. So this is about layer crust. And the second layer is mantle. This mantle, it is the thickest layer among all. It is the thickest layer among all. The thickness of mantle is around 3000 kilometers. Can you imagine 3,000 kilometers? 3,000. And the temperature inside the mantle is 700 to 1300 degrees Celsius. Do you know the temperature of human body? Temperature of human body? 37. Can you imagine 700 to 13? Same? Maybe you're hot. So in this mantle, it has magma. The lava or magma, it is present in the mantle. And also, and this mantle, it is made up of molten rock called magma, and it is mostly made up of silicon and magnesium. Silicon and magnesium. What is the thickness of mantle? What is 3,000 kilometers? What is the temperature in mantle? (702 degrees Celsius). And this mantle is further divided into 3 layers. The first layer is called lithosphere. Repeat with me, lithosphere. Second layer is called asthenosphere. Asthenosphere. And the last layer is called mesosphere. What is she doing? What is that? You want to go out? No? Keep your phone inside. How many layers in mantle? 3 layers. What is the first layer? Lithosphere. Second layer? Third layer? You can see the thickness here. Mesosphere thickness is around 2,900 kilometers, and asthenosphere is around 700 kilometers, and lithosphere is 100 kilometers. The top layer of mantle combines with the crust, forming lithosphere. Top layer of mantle, crust, combines, forming lithosphere. So this is about mantle. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? Did you understand? Yes? And the next layer is outer core. This outer core is around 2,000. The thickness of outer core is around 2,200 kilometers, and it is mostly made up of molten nickel and iron. Do you know what is molten? Molten means liquid. Melting. What is melting? Do you know what is melting? MELTING. Where is the duster? Duster. Molten means liquid. What is molten? Liquid form. Liquid. Liquid form of nickel and iron. Due to this, the temperature inside the outer core 6100 to 4400 degrees Celsius. Due to this highest temperature and pressure, this molten nickel and iron, they keep on moving, which results in production of magnetic field. Because of the high temperature and pressure conditions in outer core, it causes the molten metal to move, which produces magnetic field. Do you know what this is? What is that? What is that? Compass. Why do you use this? What is the use? It shows the direction using magnetic field. This is called magnetic compass, and it uses magnetic field, and that magnetic field comes from the outer core. And this magnetic field, listen, silence. This magnetic field will go into the space and protects the Earth's surface from solar winds. And what is the last layer? What is the last layer? Inner core. Very good. Inner core. This is the last layer, and inner core is the hottest layer among all. It is the silence. Inner core is the hottest layer among all the layers. The temperature in the inner core is around 4900 to 7200. The temperature inside the inner core is 4900 to 7200 degrees Celsius. This temperature is equal to the sun temperature. Equals to sun temperature. Sun's temperature. This is the inner core. Inner core is the center part of the earth. And the thickness of inner core is 1200 kilometers. And it is usually, it consists of solid metals. Solid metals. That is, it has liquid metals and it has solid metals. So this is about 4 layers. Did you understand? Yes? You can take the picture of this. So how many layers are there in Earth? 4. What are they? Please answer. What are the 4 layers? Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Which layer is the thinnest layer? Crust. Which layer is the thickest one? Which layer is the thickest one? Please take the picture. Picture. How many students are there? Forty. Did you write the notes? How many layers? 4 layers. I'll check the notes because you have to answer the questions now. No, no notes? What did you write? Go take picture. You are writing now? Where is your notes? No notes? Very bad. Very bad. So are you ready to answer? Are you ready to answer the questions? I'm sending the picture in the group. Okay. I'll spin this now. Let's see which number. Who is number 9? Number 9, please stand up. How many layers are there? 4. Good, sit down. Number 25, stand up. Please stand up. What are the 4 layers? What are the 4 layers? What is the first layer? Mantle. Fast. Second one. Crust. Mantle. Outer core. Inner core. Good. Sit down. Number 37. Who is number 37? Please stand up. How many types of crust are there? 2. Sit down. Number 40. How old is planet Earth? How old is planet Earth? Do not help. Turn this side. Silence. 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 How old is planet Earth? $4.5. Silence. Do not help. What is the answer? 4.5 billion or million? I said silence. B. Billion. Million. Billion or million? Stand. Do not say it. Stand. You did not say the answer. Number 36. How old is planet Earth? How old is planet Earth? Good. Sit down. Did you say billion? You said 4.5 B. Stand. Next. Number 6. Stand. What are the two layers in crust? What are the two layers in? Do not help. Do not help. I said. What are the two layers in crust? You know the answer? What is the answer? No? Say. And? Good. Sit down. Number 11. Which layer is the hottest layer? Which layer is the hot? Inner core? Who said first? You said. Sit down. You have to be fast. Number 22. How many, silence, how many layers are there in mantle? Yeah, how many layers? 3. Good. Sit down. Number 24. What is the thickness of continental crust? What is the thickness of continental crust? What is the thickness of continental crust? You don't know? Continental crust. Number 15. Who is number 15? Stand up. Silence. What is the thickness of? Silence. What is the thickness of continental crust? 5 to 8? Wrong. Number 10. What is the thickness of continental crust? Wrong. Continental crust. 0 to? Wrong. You know the answer? 70. Good. Sit down. It is 70 kilometers. 5 to 8 is oceanic. Number 16. What are the 3 layers in mantle? What are the 3 layers in mantle? You are taking too long. Do you know the answer? No? No? Number 29. What are the 3 layers in mantle? Lithosphere, ethnosphere, mesosphere. Very good. Sit down. Good. Number 30. Stand up. What is the thickness of mantle? Thickness 3000 kilometers. Good. Sit down. I want to sit. Number 27. Number 27. Please stand up. Oh. Which core produces magnetic field? Which core produces magnetic field? You know the answer? No? Again? Which layer produces magnetic field? Which layer? Huh? Loud. Outer core? He said the answer. Sit down. No. He said first. Sit down. He said, sit down. Number 4. What is the temperature of crust? 200 to 400 degrees Celsius. Sit down. Number 34. Oh. Silence. Which layer has silence? Which layer which layer has temperature equal to sun's temperature? Inner core. Good. Sit down. Number 26. In which layer magma is present? What did you say? Ma- Good. Sit down. Sit down. Number 5. What is layer crust covered with? Layer crust is covered with. Shh. Okay. Okay. Mountains and oceans, sand, rocks. Good. Sit down. Number 20. Time up. I will play this game again next week. La- Last question. Last question. Hmm. Silence. Liquid metals like nickel and iron are present in which layer? Liquid metals like nickel and iron are. What is the answer? Outer core. Good. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. One last question. Silence. One last question. Anyone can answer. Okay? Are you ready? Mm-mm. Anyone. You have to raise your hand first, okay? What is the percentage of water and land on earth? Answer. Land? Very good. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye. Remember, every class I will ask questions. Every class. Silence, silence.